Hello, and welcome back to our Vytal tutorial series. These tutorials cover how to set up your direct-to-patient e-commerce program using Vytal's website builder. If you haven't gotten started yet, make sure to check out the other Vytal tutorials to get things going. In this tutorial, we're going to move away from the overall website and go in depth on setting up product details. Products are not stored in the site view. That's because we treat products as their own separate entities. This has several advantages, including the ability to sell the same product on multiple sites without having to recreate the product. Let's hover over the Vytal logo in the top left corner. It will turn into a back arrow button that we can click to take us back to the main Vytal view. Next, we'll click Products to go to the Products view, and I'll click on one of these products to explore its product details. We'll start with the product display name. Obviously, your product name goes here, but any other key facts or differentiators can go in this display name as well. For example, the quantity, 30 tablets, 30 uses, 30 wipes. Or maybe the version of the product, such as fast-acting, long-lasting, men's, women's, children's, etc. Next, you have the product details. This is the best place to include a description of the product itself and what it's used for. It's the most open-ended section, so feel free to get creative. The section after that is the instructions. You'll usually want to include your best practices for using the product, but note that patients should use medication especially as directed by their physicians. And finally, you have the image. There's not much to say here. Play around with different images to see how they affect the customer's perception of your product, as well as your conversion rate. Optionally, you can also add prescribing information. This is written for healthcare providers to prescribe a drug properly and includes approved uses for the drug, contraindications, potential adverse reactions, available formulations and dosage, and how to administer the drug. This is also known as the package insert. Finally, hit Save Product. And with that, you've added product details to your product. These new details will now populate all sites that reference your product. Thanks for watching. Join us again for more information on building your Vytal direct-to-patient program.